Hi, I'm Danielle Mosteller, and I want to talk about my creativity project. I had a lot of fun doing this. Mine was gardening. Gardening is a huge thing in my family. I wish I had gotten more pictures, but I live in Orem, and the garden is in Nephi, Utah, so I didn't really get an opportunity to video it. I wish I had because I love this process. But last weekend I went down and I helped my mom garden. That is a picture of our peach tree blooming. We have a lot of trees blooming right now. It's so exciting. Spring is awesome. And I worked with my mom on getting some seedlings ready. We did cucumber, zucchini, butternut squash, um, pumpkin. So just lots of seedlings. When we do our own little seedlings, we usually do squash because those tend to survive better. And then we also did some box planting. I planted some peas some some beets. So that was really fun. We haven't gotten started on the ground garden yet, but excited for that. Um, And I just wanted to kind of like point this out. Like, just because you can't see the progress doesn't mean it's not there. And I added this little picture of flowers because those were in my backyard up here, and I just thought they were cute and just showed that process of growth. Um, and I love gardening. I love doing that mostly with my family. It's like the experience of sharing that with my family and just seeing the growth. And the best part is vegetable gardening when you get to eat the produce. Like there's nothing better than fresh produce from our garden. And we also have a pretty large orchard. We have like 10 or 12 trees. And so just being able to like literally reap the fruits of your labors just just that work just brings a lot of joy to my life, and it's something I love and I love doing with my family. So yeah, that was my creativity project. Hope you enjoyed it. I did.